I got PS5 controller, and as you can see the USB port is look like broken, so the customer said it's not charging. Let's open it and see what's the issue. No any screws, so it's easy to open. This part is broken and the controller, as you can see. Finally, the first screw in this controller. Alright, let's see the damage. Yes, as you can see the USB port is totally damaged. Hopefully they don't damage the trace pad. The trace look like good. This is a good news. If this is the first time you change the ports, so make sure you use the correct USB port. The PS5 board have 2 or 3 model for the USB. If you use the wrong USB port, so it's not working. And this is a brand new USB port. It's available on our shop. It looks like in great condition, so let's clean it. Before return all the part back, let's put the battery and test. The battery is connected, and let's check. Do we have a light? And yes, they have a light, so the controller is fixed. Let's return all the part. But first, I don't like this. I will use brand new thermostat. All ribbon cables is back. The battery also back. And finally, the controller is ready.